Garlic lime baked chicken cutlets, healthy, juicy, and packed with flavor. I sliced up some chicken breasts and pounded them thin so they could cook evenly. Seasoned them with garlic salt, pepper, and cracked in an egg to help everything stick. Then I coated each piece in almond flour for that crispy, low-carb crunch. I lined a baking sheet with foil and sprayed it with avocado oil and baked at 445 for 15 minutes on each side. Golden and perfect. For the sauce, I sauteed some chopped shallot, 6 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of butter till fragrant. Then I poured in a cup of chicken broth and squeezed in 2 fresh limes. Let it reduce and thicken up, then toss in fresh cilantro for that pop of flavor. Add some white rice on your plate, lay that chicken on top, and pour over some of that garlicky lime sauce all over. High protein, low calorie, and it tastes like restaurant level flavor. If you're trying to lose weight and still eat good, this is your sign to make this tonight.